Hello, in this video I'm going to show the security tricks on the ZTE RedMagic 10R. Alright, so let's begin. So we need to open up our settings, and once we are here we need to scroll down a little bit until we find the security and privacy settings. And let's begin with setting up the lock screen. So we have a few types of the lock screen. It can be swipe, pattern, pin, or the complex password. In my case, I'm gonna show you how to set a pattern. So now we have those dots. We need to connect at least 4 of them. Now simply draw your pattern. Then click on next. If you want to try once more, click on clear right in here. And now draw pattern to confirm. So redraw it, click on confirm. And for now, as you can see, everything looks good. Now let's click on the app security below, and let's click on Google Play Protect. And in here we can perform a scan of our apps to see if there is something, if there are potential threats. But in our case, as you can see, everything is fine, and we don't need to do anything. So now let's scroll. Let's get back simply. Now let's click on device unlock. I have shown you the screen lock. Now let's click on fingerprint and face unlock. There are also another extended security features. I'm gonna show you how to set the fingerprint, which is more secure than the face unlock, because for example when you set a face unlock, someone who might try to unlock your phone, for example using your photo. And there is a chance that the face unlock will work and it will recognize the face from the photo. So the fingerprint is more accurate and more safe. Click on done, click on register, click on OK, and now as you can see on the middle of the screen we have the sensor, and now we need to place our finger. When we feel a little vibration, we need to lift it up and then place again, and we need to repeat that process until our fingerprint will be saved. Alright, you should also try placing your finger from different angles. Alright, now it has been saved. Now click on OK, click on turn it on. Okay, in here you can add the face, so I'm going to skip it. You can also name your fingerprint if you want. Okay. We also have the theft protection, which is also a cool thing. This mode uses built-in safeguards to protect your personal data if your device is stolen. So we have the auto lock protection, the theft detection lock, and offline device lock. So if you choose to enable the theft detection lock, in here you can read how this works. So if the theft detection lock detects your device was taken from you, your device's screen will lock automatically to prevent anyone from accessing your personal data. This feature uses your device motion sensors and its Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connections to try to detect if someone abruptly takes your phone and runs away. One thing you need to keep in mind: you must be actively using your device. So if you choose to enable it, you need to have in mind those conditions that are right in here. The instruction. Below we also have the offline device lock. The screen will lock shortly after your device goes offline to help protect your data. So it's also a cool thing as an additional security feature. In here, once more, you can read how this works. So your device screen will lock shortly after your device goes offline to help protect your data. For example, your device will lock if someone steals it and it turns off the internet to prevent location tracking. And again, 2 things that you need to keep in mind: you must be actively using your device while it's unlocked, and the screen can be locked up to twice a day. So you can also turn it on. Next thing is a remote lock, but to use it you need to have your SIM card inserted in your phone or your eSIM, because currently I don't have it, so when I will try to turn it on you can see that without the SIM card or eSIM this feature won't work. And how it works, when remote lock is on, you can lock your device remotely if it gets stolen. You need to go to the android.com/lock. We need to enter our phone number to lock its screen. No sign in or Google account needed. And here we have the link. And again, 3 things that you need to keep in mind. Your device must be online. If your device is offline, its screen will lock automatically once it's online. If you find your device, just unlock your screen the way you usually would. For example, with a PIN or password. Your screen can be locked remotely up to twice a day. So it's really a pretty cool feature, I would say. Yeah, and then the last thing in here is Find My Device feature. I suggest you should enable it. It's one of the most cool things, and they are really useful. So if you lose this device or connect with Fastware accessories, you can use Find My Device to locate them. But to use Find My Device, you need to remember your Google account that you are currently logged into on this device in the settings. So let's say I'll open up the settings just to show you. We have our Google account right in here. And to use Find My Device, you need to remember this Google account and password to it. It will also tells you about that if you click on Learn More about Find My Device. Right, but let's get back into that settings. Okay. So we have 2 ways how we can use it. We can use the app or the web. So let me show you how to use it. Simply choose how you want to use this feature. Click on Sign In. Now sign in into your Google account. Now find your device, and in here we can perform the factory reset or secure this device to prevent someone from, taking off our data. Alright, now we can go back from here. That when it comes to the theft protection, and now we have the account security also. We can click on here, and let's begin with the Google security checkup. Alright, for now, as you can see, everything looks fine in here. But if someone will be wrong, follow the instruction. Below we also have the password checkup. Alright, as you can see, in my case I have no compromised password. My passwords are unique and my passwords are strong. So you should keep your passwords strong. They shouldn't be easy to guess. Also your password should be unique and no compromise, because for example when you have only one password to everything, it is bad, because for example when someone will steal your when he will steal your password, for example to Facebook, he might want to try it also for I don't know, the Google, or I don't know, your bank account, for example. So you should avoid that kind of situation. And if your passwords won't be unique, you'll see the information right in here. Okay, now I have shown the device finders. Now we can click on the system updates and let's perform the scan if there's any possible update. And as you can see, in my case, the Google Play, I'm not using the latest version and I have the update possible. So now simply click on download and install, and then follow the instruction on the screen. And then last thing you need to do is to restart your phone. Alright, we also have the security update below. In that case, as you can see, my system is up to date, so I don't need to download anything. And we can also click on check for update once more to see if there's something to be downloaded. It is always good to see if there's something available to download. So from time to time you can open this up and check if there's something to download. And the last thing is the backup. It is also really cool and useful feature. For example, when someone will store our phone, and when we have the backup, using Find My Device we can completely erase this device. We can, for example, buy a new phone, and we still can restore our data when we have a backup, of course. So below account search we can see the Google account that we are currently logged in. Also make sure that backup by Google One is enabled. When it comes to the backup details, in here you can see what will be saved and what data will be backup. So it will be the apps, photos and videos, and the rest of this stuff that you can see right in here. And basically in the future, if you want to restore the backup, you need to be logged into the same Google account on your future device that you can see right in here. So please don't forget that email and password to it. And now to create a backup, click on this button, backup now. Now I need to confirm by drawing the pattern. And now within a seconds the small bar should appear. Yeah, okay, now under the backup you can see that this thin bar appeared and is starting to fulfill. And now we need to simply wait until it's finished, and when it disappears it will mean that backup is successfully saved. Also on the bottom of the screen you will see an information that our backup is successfully made. So now let's simply wait until this process is finished, and I'll see you in a few seconds. Alright, we are after the process. You can also see that in here under the backup by Google One we can see how long ago the last backup was made, and also the hour. So it means now that our backup has been successfully saved. Alright, now I'm wondering if there's something more. We can also click on more security and privacy. But no, there's no other things that I wanted to show you in here. But we can also open up the settings, I think, and in here we can open up the storage. Actually, no, that's not the thing I'm looking for. In here should be other thing. Yeah, here it is. Okay. Under all apps, we can also see the private space. We can set a password to it, and in here we can simply add files, data, apps that we want to secure. Click on while using the app, click on allow, and in here you can add pictures, apps, videos, files, and password book. So for example, we can click on the app lock. Now I will select the Chrome, so it's locked now, and if someone will want to open it up, boom, he needs to type the password or use your fingerprint. So it's also a pretty cool extra security feature. Alright, I'm wondering if there's something more, but I think that's all. Let me also open up the file manager, but no, everything is fine. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.